Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola One 5G Ace, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Advanced and tap on the Backup. As you can see, we have been immediately transferred to the Google account, Google One, which is directly and tightly connected with this device. Of course, if you've got your account currently added to this device, then you will just have to pick it from the list. If not, just tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step, we can create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it, kind of a login, and then let's tap on Next because your device will autofill it, as you can see. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it. And here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info of the Google One, so you can check that you are able to use 15 GB of Google account to back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, store it securely, of course, and you will be able to manage your backup easily whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On, and here we've been again transferred to kind of a backup storage, so you can check how much space you've got left and how much you've got used. You can of course manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files, photos, and so on. Here you've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. And the advanced settings, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. Thanks to this, your device will back up the data only by using the Wi-Fi. If you will back up the data using your mobile data, you can be charged for overgoing the limit. So to finish it, just tap on Backup now, and as you can see, from now on your device is backing up the data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the Google Backup in your Motorola One 5G Ace. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.